guys, it's your girl Johanna Ali from Sewcially Joe, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's, guys. I know I posted a video last month and here I am. We are now in 2021. How we feeling about that? I hope everybody's doing okay. So for my first video of the year, I wanted to share with you guys that I am participating in a DIY challenge. Crazy, right? Yeah, it is crazy, but I am always up for the challenge. So that's why I said, yes, why not? Let's do this. I don't know what I got myself into, but so this challenge is called Chopped Makers Edition, and it's being hosted by Madeline Creates over on Instagram. And she reached out to me a few weeks ago and was like, hey, she told me everything that was going on, and I thought, okay, why not? You know what? I'm always up for the challenge, right? So I said yes. So where are we today? The challenge begins today. We have a week. There are 3 of us, 3 contestants, and we have a week to make something amazing with whatever we received in our box. Now, today was the unboxing of everything that was inside of our mystery makers box, and I just received my box, so I want to show you guys what's inside. All right, let's get started. So these, it's so heavy, is what my box looks like. It's so cute. I love it. Just bright and cheery. So let me show you what's inside. Are you guys ready? Let's go. All right, are you guys ready? Let's go. All right. So we have a Chopped Makers Edition t-shirt. Pretty cute. I'll wear this. All right. Then we have some greenery here. I don't know. I have an idea of what I'm gonna do with this. I'm pretty stoked, seriously. Okay, so then we have more greenery. And some flowers. Then we have some glue. We have clear Elmer's glue, and we have some Mod Podge. All right. Then we have some painting supply things, a little to rinse your brush in, and then where I'll be mixing the paints, because I'm painting, right? Then we have wooden beads. And I've got a glue gun and a glue sticks to go with it. Then I've got all my painting supplies, which is so cute. It's a little brush set. I'm holding it upside down because there's a hole in the bag. I don't want the brushes to fall out, but this is what it looks like. A different assortment of brushes. Love it. 25 piece. And then I've got all the paints I could possibly want. This is acrylic paint. There are 12 pieces. 12 containers, I should say. And these are the colors that are inside. Pretty cool. Then I have a piece of foam board. And then I have not 1, but 2 canvases. I can tell you right now that I'm using these, okay? I'm using these. I'm excited. Then we have scissors and a pack of construction paper. Really, it's nothing And then I have a pack of wooden dowels. And that's all that I have in my box. So that was everything that was inside of my Chopped Makers Edition box. I'm really excited. I'm kind of scared. But you know, there's gonna be some sewing or fabric things involved. We'll see. But I'm really excited. I have an idea. I'm happy with it, and I'm gonna go with it. You know, go with your first instinct. So I will be back next week to share my submission. If you would like to follow along, follow me at SoVeryJo, SOVERY, on Instagram, and I'll be sharing in my stories things that I'm working on during the week. I have 1 week to submit my final submission, so next Sunday I have to have everything in by 8 a.m. and then at 12 noon we'll be on Madeline Creates IG Live, where we will be judged. So I'm pretty excited. If you like, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell so you get notifications of when I post new videos. So guys, until next time, talk to you later. Bye-bye.